I have this open Word document on my Windows interface, and in this particular tutorial I'm going to illustrate to you 4 different ways you can maximize or you can have a better view of your content within your created document. And this special software is Microsoft Word. So as a Word user, when you are working within your document and you want to have a better elevation or view of your content, then you need to use the option known as the zoom option in Microsoft Word. And I'm going to show you 4 ways. In fact, practically I'm going to illustrate to you 4 ways you can zoom in and zoom out your Word document. The first approach is to hold the control key on the keyboard and use the scroll wheel on the mouse. And you can see that I am zooming in, and when I scroll down I am zooming out. So to use the combination of the keyboard and the mouse, control, scroll up, you zoom in, scroll down, you zoom out. So this is the first approach you can utilize to have a better view of your content within your Word document. The next approach is to use the view tab on the menu bar, and when you click on the view tab you are going to have this zoom group, and we have this command known as the zoom option. When you click, this provides you with a zoom dialog box where you can zoom to 200%, 100%, 75%, and specifically you can enter a percentage of your choice in this particular field. We have other options you can optimize in this particular window. So if I click on this option and click on OK, which is 200%, this is going to zoom in my content within my document to 200%. And if I want to switch back to 100%, in the zoom group in the view tab I'm going to click on this option, and this allows me to zoom out to 100%. When you click, you can enter a particular number in this field. I have typed 80, and when I click on OK or press the enter key, this is going to zoom to 80%. So this depends on you if you want to utilize the combination of the keyboard and the mouse, or if you want to use the zoom group under the view tab. So this is also another way of zooming in and zooming out your content within your Word document. The next approach is to move to the right bottom corner. We have this zoom slider, and we have zoom out, and we have zoom in. When you use the plus symbol, this is going to zoom in your content in your Word document, and when you use the minus symbol, this is going to zoom out your content. So this is also another way to zoom in and zoom out your Word document. The last approach, which is a bonus tip if you have the newer version of Microsoft Word, is to use the control key and the minus symbol on the keyboard, or the control key and the plus symbol. These keys allows you to zoom in and zoom out. So if I hold the control key and the plus symbol, you can see that I am zooming in, and if I use the control key and the minus symbol, this is zooming out. So these are the practical illustrations which I want to showcase to you in this particular video in terms of zooming in and zooming out your content in Microsoft Word, and that is going to help you to have a better view of your document in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.